know what's wild? There are people out there trading on 4 different apps, manually calculating averages for 50 open positions, staring at the chart at 2 a.m. and still losing money. There's a better way. You set a stop loss once and forget it. The market runs 200 points in your favor, comes back and hits the stop loss, and you make nothing. I have been there, every creator has been there, and that is why TickEdge exists. First, a live chart, M1 daily, full OHNC data. Drag your stop loss and take profit directly on the chart, and do not switch apps, everything at one place. Stop loss. Set the price where your losing trade closes automatically. Drag a line on the chart, change it instantly. Your rules, your risk, one tap. Take profit. Set where your winning trade closes, either in points or by price, it's automatic either way. Break even price. TickEdge calculates your exact average entry price in real time. Stop loss at break even. One tap moves your stop loss to your average entry price, so even if the market reverses, you exit at zero loss. TP at risk reward. Set up your risk reward to ratio as to 1:2 or 1:3, whatever you like. TickEdge automatically places your TP at the right distance, no manual maths, no guesswork. Inverse screen app. Market throws a key level against you, one flip and all your positions goes to the opposite direction. Do not reopen or close, just flip. 2x double app screen. Market dip towards your stop loss. Double your positions because your average entry has dropped and you need half the recovery amount. So bring down the average and get out faster. Cut app screen. Close any percentage of your position, that is 5, 10, 15, 75%, and see the exact lot size being closed before you confirm. That is how you reduce exposure without killing it.
Close winners kills all your profitable trade in one tap, and close losers cut everything in red and nothing else. All surgical work and zero manual.
SmartCut lets you close a specific percentage of just your winners or just your losers. It also tells you the exact dollar impact before you close. All transparency. AutoTrail automatically moves your stop loss up when the market goes in your favor, locking in the profits in our servers 24 hours a day. Set the trail distance and when to activate and walk away. If the market goes up, you lock in profits, and if it reverses, you already won. Ladder TP lets you take the profit up to 6 different price levels. Close 30 here and 40 there and let the rust run further. Do not wait for one target, just get paid along the way. Risk-free automatically closes your trade at 1:1 target. So if the market reverses and hits your stop loss, you lose nothing, literally nothing, and that's not a slogan, that's maths. SL Guard automatically places a stop loss on every new position that you open, so no more naked trades and autopilot protection every single time. That one app every professional trader needs. No new account, no fund transfer. The app has 13 features and 3 hero tools that run on our servers 24/7 in Dubai. This is built in Dubai and for every trader. The market does not wait, neither should your tools. TickEdge, your edge finally.